Mic on.
Yo, 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 yo. Alright, so that's going. Got my voice going. Oh man, I'm getting ready for bed, but look, man, look how good this is. We were all stretched out with all these orange dots. Oh, that means we're really, really at the top of our swing. I threw a couple trades in here quick. I started with a 320 and then I dabbed another one. I'm not sure we got the 820, but doesn't matter. This is gonna be a good trade. This is gonna pay. So I hopped on late notice. Let's get the Rumble studio up. Live. It shows on live. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Ooh. Let's get into this thing, man. I'm gonna go pretty heavy on our sizing. I usually start at like a 180 or whatever. With my account size, total lots, it's weird trading through TradingView. So um, when I throw trades out, I think I have something like, I don't know, 3.7 million unit sizes for a trade. I don't even know what that means. I'm used to going through MetaTrader. Um, so I usually start like 180. That gives me. I try to have 4 trades per zone, and I go 180, 320, 720, 1.4. I have these like space. And the idea is when I get to the end of the game, I'm out. Worst case scenario, 12, 16 trades, and all those numbers combined gets me to that whatever it is, 4.6, 5.2, whatever the risk tolerance is for this account. But anyway, we didn't start at the 180. We started at the 320. I don't know how we got the 820. Maybe it went 180 then 320, 320. Might be. I don't know. But this is going to be a good one. We're really overstretched. We got our zones. I'm going to probably wait till I get to the top of the zone before I enter it again. I'm going to enter again at a pretty big. I'm guessing this is a 0.32 after 57k count. I don't know. Again, I'm trying to do this thing on TradeGo. It's easy to see. That's what people use for charting. I prefer to just do this on the MT5 database, but here we are. Everyone said use TradingView by Discord. I'm so tired. I've had like 4 beers. I'm ready for bed. But it's going to be a good trade. This is going to be a real good one. Oh. We're sell again. Let me tap that line. Should double sell. I want 700 units in that area. So we're cost averaging. We're going to try to keep this, where we're at. This profit line. I don't know what you want to call it, but like the average. Anything under this is profit, above it is loss, right? We want to try to keep this really close to price. And so the idea of cost averaging is not martingale where you just keep scaling and scaling and scaling and scaling. Is we want to keep this close to the price. So when we get a pullback, we can just hop out real quick and make our, whatever we're going to make. Like if this pushes down to here and it's like $70, $80, dude, we're in. That's all we want. We're trying to catch quick in and outs. So we're looking for overbought, oversold conditions. We're looking for swing points, and then we just want to get in and out. We don't want anything crazy. We don't need anything crazy. Like, look, we're at $60 drawdown. Man, this thing needs to just pull back. We don't even have to pull back to the top. See, it came up, pulled back, came up, pulled back. We don't need to pull back to here. We just need to pull back anywhere in here. We're making good money. Matter of fact, we can just pull back anywhere in this strong run to the upside. And so, if we're going to push up even farther, we're going to take some more sells. I'm going to probably go heavier, like 740. Because the heavier we go, the more it'll push this towards whatever price we're at. I think we're going to run out of steam here. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, we're going to run out of steam. We're going to get some sort of pullback. We'll likely pull back somewhere into this area, but we don't need that. We're just trying to get in, trying to get out. I think it's pretty sincere. We're gonna hit that. So we'll see what it does. If we push back in here, though, we're gonna hit another big heavy sell. 720, 740, 0.72 lots, I guess. Man, I was ready for bed. What dumb shit. I should not have hopped into this trade. If this goes like 30, 40 minutes, I'm gonna be so sad. I am so tired, man. It's such a long and busy day today. Oh, hear that? What do I do? Try to grow this thing. Alright. Actually just throw this here so we don't miss it. That way we don't miss it. We don't have to try to click the button at the right time. It triggers where we want to be, or it doesn't. And this 740 should drag our average price into here, somewhere around here. If we don't hit it, great. Price is going to go in our direction, so either way it's a win-win. Look at this doji candle. Trying to go to bed, trying to find a quick scalper. Thought we were going to get a quick pullback. When you see a candle like this, it just means like indifference. We're on the 1 minute, so everything's indifferent if we want to be sticklers or you want to be argumentative. But this is not the kind of candle we want to see. We wanted to see something like this. Pushed up. There's so much pressure pushing it down. Next candle, so much pressure. I kind of expected, for me, honestly, expected this to kind of roll over, get us out, and we'd be done. But that, I mean, it's okay. Not the end of the world. Excuse me. We're gonna sell here again, just to pick this up. We're trying to get out of here. Oh snap! Grab their order. We did push this up again. Let's double this. 140. I'm gonna hit it again. Push it up even further right. Because we don't need to go far. Now we just need to come back to our entry. Honestly, I've gone super heavy. I really should have been layering like maybe one or two 1.8s, then here a couple 3.6s, then here maybe some 6.4s. I want to go to bed, so we're gonna be pretty aggressive here. We haven't had a real honest pullback yet, so we should. I mean, I think we should push into here. We don't need that. We just need to push right here. Right. There we go. Going into profit. Now. We could close here, but I don't want to. I think we'll go a little bit further. That's all we're looking for. Just a little further. And because we went so heavy, we're going to get a pretty nice little payday out of this. Now, this could bite you. If we went this heavy and price decided to have like a swing, because we're trading on the 1 minute, so if we had like a good 1 hour momentum push, we would go straight to stop loss. This is risky. The whole strategy can be risky if you get in at the right, wrong period, I should say. But I've been trading OddCAD for like 5 months. In the last 3 weeks, when I vetted this strategy, it's a version of my JTFX MET, which is actually a 4-hour, 8-hour swing. I basically sat on the charts for 11 trading days, trading this on the 1 minute, just keeping it to myself, kind of watching how OddCAD moved in the 1 minute, and then I integrated it into my Discord, and I live streamed everything, so there was kind of like, video proof. So if I was full of shit, it'd be on video kind of thing, and I just kept taking these trades, and I was every time I hit a trade, win or lose, I threw it in the chat. You know, it was live, in person results. You know, and I did that for about 2 weeks. I automated it so I could put it in B5, and I went and did a 3-year test. On top of trading it live, I had a totally different system connected to my broker. Ooh, this is what we didn't want. Let's try to grab. I don't know if it's gonna have enough margin. Let's grab it up here if we can. And we did. And that brought this up a little bit. Perfect. Anyway, I have like 10 years of backtesting now using the system, showing that it's profitable. I think it's a 1.5, 1.6 over 21 years or something ridiculous. So it's a good system. Gosh, we went heavy and hard though. So we'll see what happens. I think it might be a mistake because we were trying to get in and out so early. Like really, we should be way less leverage in here, but because we had such a long leg, I kind of thought we were going to do this pullback sooner. We should really get a pullback into here, to be honest, or maybe even, let's go to the 5-minute real quick. We'll likely come here, but we don't do that. I'm going to see $100, 120. Oh, there we go. Done. $300. Yeah, we're done. Boom! And that's how she do. And that is how she do. Fuck, I just made $300, brother. That's awesome. Okay. Shut the stream down. Just wanted this on video because I'm trying to build a live record so people can't say he's bullshit. My system is super irregular. It follows none of the normal trade ethos, if you will, or I don't know what you want to call it, but like, you can't risk this to make that. You shouldn't risk more than X amount per trade, and it's all nonsense. I learned it's all nonsense through algo trading, and so now I've got to kind of like, I'm trying to document everything I do for a 1-year period and just blow apart the narrative. And I don't want to be like a disruptor. I'm not trying to say that, but when I start making these videos, I start making my trading courses, and I get these trade gurus saying that, oh, what you're saying is bullshit, and over time, blah, 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 blah. I want to have all these Rumble streams. I mean, like, fucking bitch, go look. Stuff works. I know it works, you know. Anyway, I don't know why I'm